Morning. Well, actually afternoon. I've actually just woken up, had a shower and everything, and it's 4:30, is it? No, it's actually 5:10. That is crazy. So I can't really show you much today, but after looking inside my fridge, I think we need to go shopping. I fucking hate shopping. I kind of lie. I like shopping, but only for stuff that's, really exciting, something that's really cool, like when I got my Apple Watch or an iPhone or something just really, really cool. But normal, generic shopping, I just find it tedious and boring. I like going in, grabbing the stuff, leaving. It's that simple. So hopefully we can do that today. Fucking hate shopping. Sun is still out. Barely. I would have taken Eric's bike, but unfortunately I haven't got a lock for it, so I can't really leave it outside. Some people have been asking how this actually works, so let me show you. There's a screen. Get a card, deliver through your post, and you just scan it in. The number on the screen then tells you which bike you need to go to, and if you look at the bike racks, follow the numbers and you'll see that it's green. You've got 30 minutes to take the bike to the next location, otherwise you get charged a bit more. I mean, it's not that expensive, but it's better to get it for free after you've paid 50 euros for the year, which is not too pricey. Bargain. This area is Glorias, and Glorias is famous for having a lot of big businesses around, the big names, Massimo Dutti's, Apple's, etc, etc. And also they have this building. It's like the one in London, the Gherkin as I call it, but here I just call that a dick. Currently they're doing this all up, so it looks like shit everywhere that you look. There's just building sites everywhere. But once it's done, it's gonna look really nice. I'm kind of broke now, and I haven't had any breakfast. So, don't judge me. Number 25. Every time I eat one of them, I feel sick afterwards. It's not good. Before we go shopping, I'm going to take you into work because I need to speak to somebody so I can show you a few cool things. Welcome to my work. This is the Playroom. One of my favorite games of all time. This is Mirren.
Hi.
My friend.
Hi, Rick.
Friends. So I've just come to work and she's asked me if we can go for a drink, and that's what we normally do, as you've seen in the vlogs anyway, so we might as well do this, right?
Yes.
She's very talkative, as you can see.
I'm not.
I'm out. Do you need another one?
Look at this.
She drinks way too slow. We've just left Mirren, so we need to go and do this shopping that I told you about. Obviously, the most important thing to me is always alcohol. I'm not very happy with like shopping at all. I like being in and out as quick as possible. So let's try and do that. Picky with filming in places like that, so you have to be sneaky. But we've got some shopping and we're going to start to make our way back. That's it for today. We've done everything. We've accomplished everything that we needed to. We've been drinking, we've been seeing friends, we've gone shopping. All in all, it's been a good day. But it's now 9 o'clock and I just want to relax tonight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. First, a pint. Next, gin and tonic.